Hey everyone, WAMVTECH here, and today we're deep diving into our Telegram, one of the most popular apps out there. If you're looking for a secure messaging platform or a feature-rich communication tool, Telegram has a lot to offer. So let's jump right in and explore its features, settings, and user experience. First, let's get a brief overview of Telegram. It's a cloud-based messaging app known for its speed and security, and all messages are synchronized simultaneously. Telegram offers both personal and group conversations, making it versatile for various communication needs. Now let's dive into the details. Now before we dive into the app, here are some of the key highlights from Telegram's webpage. Telegram has surpassed 900 million monthly active users, making it one of the top 5 most downloaded apps globally. Known for its commitment to the user privacy and supporting freedom of speech and assembly, Telegram has influenced pro-democracy movements worldwide. Now let's go to the founder's background. Pavel Durov is based in Dubai and is notable for his stance on the user data protection, leading to his departure from Russia in 2014. Telegram's encryption is open to independent verifications, and the company encourages security research through the Bug Bounty program. For more detailed information, you can explore the full content on the webpage. I've linked it in the description below. Telegram's general features are exclusive. Easily switch between multiple accounts without logging out. Stories which are saved on the servers and archived for later viewing. Manage payments and purchase directly within the app. Form groups with friends and followers to share content and chat together. Find and connect with contacts and use the secret chats for private conversations. Make voice and video calls directly in the app. So the stories on Telegram work in a way that you come right here. These are the stories. In my profile, we have different features. First of all, we have the 3-dot menu. You can edit your info. You can set a profile photo. You can change the profile color. You can change your username. You can save this actual picture to the gallery. Here we see the posts. This post I posted it, I got 100 views, but it's still there. I posted it some time back. Let's navigate to the archives. It was archived. So in Telegram, whatever story you post, it's saved on their servers. Telegram has a wallet. One of the things that it has, it's sending and adding a crypto and exchange. If you wanna exchange, do some exchange with crypto. Then peer-to-peer market. You can create a group and it goes up to 200,000 members. This is one of the best features with Telegram. If I want to create a secret chat, I just come here, I select the contact, and now we bump into the secret chat. And if I want to create a new channel, I'll come here, create a channel name, description. Telegram can search the people on Telegram in your location where you are. When we navigate to the people nearby and turn on our location, so it's searching for the people around. Oh, here we are. It has showed me the people 1 kilometer away, 2 kilometers away. We'll start with the just open Telegram and you scan. You can change our username. You can add the bio. Here we can increase our message text size, and we can change at wallpaper, and here we have the browser themes. You also have the chat list view. App icons, we have the default one, we have the vintage, we have the aqua, we have the premium, we have the turbo, we have the Nox. So these premium and turbo and Nox, these are premium icons. It shows the Telegram premium and how it works, what features come. Yeah, so let's go to the chat list swipe gestures. When you use this gesture, you're changing the folder. App itself will turn into night mode when it's night and day mode when it's day. You can use the emoji, you can use the quick reaction. The privacy and security, we have the two-step verification, auto delete messages, passcode block. Privacy, we have who can see your phone number, who can see your last seen, who can see your profile photos, forwarded messages, calls, voice messages, date of birth, bio, invites. If you spend a year without using your account, here are the options. They can either delete it, so they also have a year, that's the limit. As you see, these are the settings, guys. I'm not prolonging this video. Now let's talk about how Telegram monetizes its platform. Telegram Premium. Telegram offers a premium subscription service that unlocks additional features such as the faster downloads, larger file uploads, exclusive stickers, and restrictions and reactions. Sponsored messages. Telegram allows advertisers to send sponsored messages to the large public channels, ensuring that the user's private chats remain ad-free. Now, let's also talk about bot payments. Integrating payment options, allowing users to make in-app purchases and payments directly through the Telegram app. These monetization methods help Telegram remain sustainable. So guys, that has been it, an in-depth look at Telegram, from its exclusive chat features and powerful group capabilities to its robust privacy settings and unique tools. Telegram offers comprehensive messaging experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and productivity tips. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.